morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 6a, question number 2 of multiple and factors. In second question, you have to write next 5 multiples of what is given 6, 12, 18. Now you have to see, you have to write multiples of 6, 12, 18. You will see that it is a table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. Now next will be 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. So it is a multiple of 6. Some multiples are given to you and you have to write the missing numbers. So multiples of 6 will be 6 2 is 12, 6 is 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42 and 6 8 is 48. So next question is, which of following numbers have 56 as a multiple? Now you have to tell out of these numbers which number is multiple, which number is having multiple of 56. कि 56 किसका multiple है? You have to tell whether it is a multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now how will you do this? You will divide this number by this number. If it is completely divisible and there is no remainder, then it will be a divisible. अगर ये नंबर 2 से पूरा डिवाइड हो जाता है और 2 और रिमाइंडर 0 होता है तो ये नंबर डिविजिबल होगा 56 से. सो देखते हैं 2 इज डिविजिबल ऑफ 56. नाउ डिवाइड 56 by 2. If you divide 56 by 2, so quotient will be 28. So it is completely divisible. So we can say 2 is a multiple of 56. जो 56 है वो 2 से पूरा डिविजिबल है और रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. So you will take this number. It is divisible of by 2. Now you will check. If you divide 56 by 4, then we will see that you can divide 56 completely and there is a remainder of 0. You can divide 56 by 4 now. So it is completely divisible and remainder is 0. So 4 is also multiple of 56. Now find out 6, whether 6 is a multiple of 56. You will divide 56 by 6. If you divide 56 by 6, so 56 doesn't come in the table of 6. 6 के table में 56 आता है? No. So it is not divisible by 6. So 6 is not multiple of 56. So 8. If you divide 56 by 8, so quotient will be 7. 8 7 is 56. So 8 is the number which have 56 as multiple. It is completely divisible by 8. So you will take this number also. You will try 9. Read out the table of 9. There is no 56 in the table of 9. 56 9 के टेबल में नहीं आता. So there will be remainder. Remainder 0 नहीं आएगा. If you divide 56 by 9, so it is not multiple of 56. So there are 3 numbers which have 56 as multiple: 2, 4 and 8. So next is fill in the blanks. Now you have to tell 2 numbers are multiplied and it is equal to 8 4 is 32. So 32 is a multiple of 8 and 4. So you have to tell 32 is a multiple of 8 and 4. Which 2 numbers are given? You have to write this. 32 is a multiple of 8 and 4. You will write 8 and 4. Now next is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 24. So this is a multiple. I told you that whatever the product is, that is multiple. अब इसमें प्रोडक्ट क्या है? तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या आ रहा है? 24. So it is a multiple. It is a multiple of 2, 3 and 4. You have to see this number. So multiple of 2, there are 3 fill up, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is 32 is a multiple of 8 and 4 because these numbers are given, and 24 is a multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Next question is take the multiples of 8. Now you have to write the multiples of 8. Whenever you have to write the multiples of 8, you will read out the table of 8. So first multiple of 8 will be 8 ones are 8. So find out it is not multiple of 2 is not a multiple of 8. 2 नहीं आता 8 के टेबल में, 6 भी नहीं आता. So we will start from 8. So 8 ones are 8. So tick this number. Now 8 twos are 16. Tick this number. 20. 20 is not a multiple because 20 doesn't come in the table of 8. So 8 threes are 24. It is also a multiple of 8. Now 8 fours are 32. 32 is not here. 36. 36 doesn't come in the table of 8. 8 के table में नहीं आता 36. So it is not a multiple of 8. 40. Yes, 40. 8 fives are 40. So 40 is a multiple of 8. 40 comes in the table of 8 na. 8 fives are 40. Now try out 44. 44 doesn't come in the table of 8. Now 48. 8 6 are 48. So it will also be ticked. Now 72. 72 also comes in the table of 8. Now 80. 80 also comes in the table of 8. And you have to find out the numbers more than 8. अगर आपको यहाँ पर 90 दिया हो, 92 दिया हो, then how will you find out? You will divide that number by 8. If remainder is 0, then that number will be number of multiple of 8. कोई भी ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर दिया तो क्या करोगे? 8 से उसको डिवाइड करोगे. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो वो नंबर मल्टीपल होगा 8. Next is take the multiples of 8. Now you have to read out the table of 10. So 10 ones are 10. This will be ticked. 10 twos are 20. So 40 will not be ticked. 28 will not be ticked. 30. 10 threes are 30. Now find out 60. 60 is also a multiple of 10 because it is divisible by 10. 10 से पूरा divisible होता है और 10 के टेबल में भी आता है. 10 6 are 60. So it will also be ticked. 64. 64 is not divisible by 10. Is not completely divisible by 10. There will be remainder. 64 पर 10 से divide करोगे तो क्या होगा? Remainder आएगा ना 4. So it is not a multiple. Remainder should be 0. 72 is also not a multiple of 10 because it is not divisible by 10. There will be remainder of 2. 86 is also not divisible by 10. 100. If you divide 100 by 10, it will be completely divisible and remainder will be 0. So it is multiple of 10. So 1000. If you divide 1000 by 10, so it is also completely divisible and remainder will be 0. So it is also a multiple of 10. So this is the way to find out the multiples. And one more thing, multiple of a number can be more than or equal to a given number. जो multiples हैं वो किसी भी नंबर से या तो ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं या फिर उसके equal हो सकते हैं, but उससे less than नहीं हो सकते. Suppose you have to find the multiples of 6. It will start from 6. 6 से छोटा नहीं होगा. It will not be less than 6. It will be equal to 6 or more than 6. It cannot be less than 6. So I have discussed question number 2 to 6. In next video I will discuss the remaining questions. Okay, bye everyone.